In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to indent in Smartsheet step by step, so you can easily organize your rows, create parent and child tasks, and make your sheets cleaner and more professional. Indenting in Smartsheet is especially useful when you're working with project plans, task hierarchies, or Gantt charts, and once you know how it works, it's incredibly simple. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to Smartsheet. Sign into your account, and once you're logged in, open the sheet where you want to indent rows. This can be a project sheet, a task list, or any sheet where you want to organize information into a hierarchy. Make sure you're in the grid view to start, because this is where you'll select the rows you want to indent. Next, locate the row that you want to indent. Click directly on the row number on the left-hand side to select it. If you want to indent multiple rows at once, you can hold down the Shift key to select a range of rows, or hold Control or Command to select individual rows. Selecting the correct rows is important, because Smartsheet will indent exactly what you have highlighted. Now, once your row is selected, look at the toolbar at the top of the sheet. You'll see Indent and Outdent icons that look like arrows with lines. Click the Indent icon to move the selected row to the right. When you do this, the row becomes a child of the row directly above it. This means the top row becomes the parent, and the indented row becomes a subtask or child row. If you want to see how this works visually, switch to the Gantt view by clicking on Gantt at the top of the sheet. In Gantt view, you'll notice that indented rows roll up under their parent rows. Dates, durations, and progress can roll up automatically depending on your sheet settings, which makes this incredibly powerful for project tracking. If you accidentally indent a row or want to move it back, simply select the row again and click the outdent icon in the toolbar. This will move the row back to the left and remove it from the parent-child relationship. You can repeat this process as many times as needed until your sheet structure looks exactly the way you want. One important thing to remember is that in Smartsheet, you can only indent a row under another row that's directly above it. If the row you want to indent under is not right above, you'll need to drag and reorder your rows first, then apply the indent. Once you're done indenting your rows, take a moment to review your sheet in both Grid and Gantt views to make sure everything is organized correctly. Proper indentation makes your Smartsheet easier to read, easier to manage, and much more useful for collaboration. And that's how you indent in Smartsheet. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Smartsheet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.